Lizette, open the door. It's an emergency.
Ed?
Yeah. Sound cut out. Chelsea, here. I'll wait here. Take it back a bit after playing a few seconds, and then we'll see the sound comes back. All right, play it. That's now.
Lizette, open the door. It's an emergency.
Ed?
Oh, pause. I think the sound went out. Ah, crap. All right, can we get the house lights a little bit? All right, I got an idea. You know what? I think the bigwigs did this. They better have a solution. So, bigwigs, I believe, as always, you have the script up your ass. Not to swear. Bigwigs, give me that script. Oh, take it. They have us covered for once. Thank you, bigwigs. Oh, what? There's two people in this. Or grab someone. You, lovely lady in the corner. Join me up front, please. Excuse my affectation of an accent. All right, I think we got this. Please join over here. Please make the video full screen again. Just double click on it. All right, I think we got this. All right, what's your name, madam?
Abby?
Abby. We're in a bit of a pickle here. Hopefully you can help us out.
Okay.
The bigwigs supplied us with the script.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, we're blocking the view. Go away. So what we're gonna do, I think we got it. Let me glance over here. All right, looks like a classic Godzilla movie. The setup is pretty clearly a Godzilla movie. So that's kind of what this one is going for. So we're gonna start it off. You got your lines here?
I think so.
All right, we got it. All right, play the film. Holy
Sugar.
God damn it.
What's going on?
It's here, Lizette. We gotta go. Oh my God, I'm so scared. How have you been holding up?
I'm surviving. I don't know. I can't believe it. How are you?
Not okay. Things got worse. I can't begin to explain. Get your stuff. We're going now.
I don't know. What do we need?
Oh, I hate seeing the worry on your face. We gotta go. Come on, the drive is not an option. We have to drive.
I don't know. I need to grab clothes. I need things that we need. What do we need to grab?
All right, pause the film. Okay, this is where you guys come in. So I'm gonna count to 3, and we're all gonna stop. It's actually gonna be on stop and not 3. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, stop. All right, let's practice. 1, 2, 3, stop. Perfect. All right, so the first one is coming up quick. Let's get our bear before pages. I wonder what the bigwigs were doing. Scotch tape. All right, so this first one's coming up quick. All right, play the film. 1, 2, 3, stop! Whoa, delayed reaction. Holy
Sugar plums.
We gotta get out of here. It's getting closer. I don't know what to do.
We gotta get the
Fudge.
out of here. Ooh.
Wait. I gotta get my stuff. Ed!
Oh, give me the keys.
No, wait, Jose.
There's no time. I need you to navigate. You're much better at that than me. 1, 2, 3, stop! Oh my God. Okay, I gotta get open the door.
Okay, let me in the car, Ed. Ed.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
All right, let's go. Seatbelts first. Safety first.
Thanks, Ed. Where are we going?
I don't know. We gotta keep running.
No.
I'm sorry, Lizette. We had no choice.
Why?
The world is different now.
Why?
We're here. We gotta go. Come on. No dawdling. Come on.
I can't get out, Ed. I can't get the door open.
Come on, we gotta get supplies.
Well, I can't get the door open. Just go ahead. I'll be okay. Just leave me here.
But no, you gotta be kidding.
I'll be fine. Just, okay?
Pause the film. All right, you guys again. No more stomping. There's helicopters coming. I can hear them. They're coming in on the starboard bow. Everyone needs to make your helicopter noises. Come on, everybody. All right, play the bell. Come on, push. We gotta open the door. They're not here to save us. Oh my God. Oh my God, we gotta go. Oh wait, pause the bell.
Shutterbug.
Censorpod, you're on the fritz. That's last warning. The city's looking okay. I think Bigwig set us up for a little ruse there. This is no Godzilla film. This is obviously a romantic movie. Obviously, right? You think we can wing it?
I think so.
I think Abby and I can wing it. We'll use the page as reference for words. What words look like?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Words are hard.
All right, we're ready. Beautiful town, play the film. Romance. Oh,
I think I'm falling in love with you.
I've always wanted to make love to a sunset. Bodies conjoining as the sun nestled itself in the bosom of the earth. It's where I feel safest.
That makes me so horny.
I heard your feelings for me, and I just had to come back to town to make sure they were real.
Make love to me right now.
You're my sister.
Do anything.
Bigwigs! Pause the bell! Oh my God, Abby, get out of here! It's not your fault. Oh my God! I apologize. Enjoy the rest of the film. I shall go have a cold shower.
Now you just have to go on and graduate and make Mom proud. One of us has to, and you've got a better shot than I do.
Don't worry, I got this.
I know, sis.